Hello guys, today we are going to learn that how can we use the blocks or the we can say it the codes to move our sprite. In the last one video we have learned that what is a sprite, how can we use scratch, this third version, what is the new things added in this scratch third version. Okay, then let's start and let's see that how can we move this sprite with using the codes. Okay guys, you can see and you can read also here that here it is written move 10 steps, and you can change it to 50 steps also, and many things you can do. But you can see here that here it is the green flag and here it is the red circle. Sorry, it is a red hexagon. Then what is the work of this green flag and this red hexagon? Um, there is a code. See here I have told in the last one video that here are many options. Okay, I want you can see that here. When green flag clicked, then this will work. If we will click this green flag, then only this our sprite will work. Like we have to put it at the top. Uh, Remember one thing that um, on which code the half circle is at the top, only that code you have to put at the top. Okay, and now see I have taken this. Here it is having the half circle, means semi half, and I want to move it, not 10, I want 100 steps. Okay, now if we will click this green flag, then this our sprite will move 100 steps. Let's see. Yes, yeah, you can see now. See, this is moving. Where if we will click this green flag, then only it will move. Okay, then this was of the move. This is move. We can move it, we can turn it. Okay, I'll show you again. I want to turn it here, then here. See, 15 degrees is there, that's why it rotates and rotates, and it's come on its normal place. We'll put it 20 and this 100. Now see, first it rotates 20 degree this side, then 100 degree this side. Okay, now I'll put only this one, then you can see it's rotating. Okay, then it was the turning point. Now we want to move it that it go to random place. Go to random place. It will go on random place by its mind. Okay, but now we want go to mouse pointer. Our mouse is here, that's why it came here. But we are getting some of the problem. We have to click here, but and we have to put our arrow or mouse here, and it is not coming. That's why here are some more events. In events there are some more codes, like when space key pressed. We if we don't want the space key, then here are the many more keys. See, you can see every key is here. I want, okay, let's take the space key and go to random point. Now you can see it's coming. Okay, then this was the go to mouse pointer, and here you can see here is when green flag clicked, when the key pressed, when this sprite clicked. If we will click to this sprite, then what will happen we can decide here. Then here when backdrop switch to another, you can see the backdrop means I told you that it is the background. Okay, when this background switched means a new background came, then what will happen? Okay, then here it is when loudness. Okay, then it is the voice of or this sprite. Then when I receive message, okay, this is the what broadcast means we can message. If we will message like new message hello. Oops. Okay, we have the broadcast message hello. When I received hello, then it will do something. Okay, let's see. Move 10 steps. When green flag clicked, when I received hello, it moves. You see, it will move. See, I have not put this move 10 steps on the green flag, and but I have put it on this when I receive. If I will click it like this, it will not happen anything. But I have put it the broadcast message this hello on this when green flag click. Then the message will be sent to this when I receive. If it will receive the message, then only this sprite will move how much? 100 steps. Okay, now see. Okay, oopsie, I don't want now this. Okay, this done. Now the broadcast one more. Wait a second. Yeah, broadcast one more is there. It is having the broadcast message and wait. It's wait means after a broadcast, after the message, it will send. It will wait for a while. Okay. Now we don't want this. Now here comes we was on the motions. We don't want. Yeah, we have done the go to random position here. Then we have the go to x and y. Here you can see I have told you that here are the x and y coordinates. I'll write here 20, and here also here I'll write minus 20. Okay, and if I will join it like this, then it suddenly came here. You can say the x is here 20 and here also 20. Okay, now the y here it is minus 20 and here it is minus 20. If I'll put it, sorry, 120, and here I'll come on 520, it goes down. But if I'll click this green flag, then it again come on its real position. Okay, now the moving is done. The glide, what is glide? Glide is means like flying. It is like flying. It flies over like this. See, I am doing it now with arrow. See, it will fly like this. Okay, now here I'll change it to 5 seconds, and now it will glide. It will fly for 5 seconds. Now you can see it is random position. That's why it is moving slowly over random position. See, glide, it is somewhat flying. It is somewhat type of flying. If I'll put the mouse pointer, then it is suddenly coming here. My mouse was here. That's why it is coming here. But now, if I'll click this green flag and my mouse come here, then you can see it's going on the random position. This is the glide. Okay, now we don't want glide, and if this is the random position and mouse pointer, if we want that our sprite will glide at a specific position, then we can make it like that. See, here are the coordinates minus 57 and minus 124. It is gliding. I have made it for 1 second. Okay friends, we have seen the gliding, and here it is if we want to take the specific glide to a specific code, then we can take this, and this is the point direction, means it will rotate like this. Okay, then here it is the point towards, means it will point towards my mouse pointer. Okay, then here it is the change x by, means it will increase or decrease its x by x. Okay, and it will move. Then here it is set to, means set x to, means it will permanently set there. Then here it is about the y, like the x only. Then here it is if edge bounce, means if it will bounce on the edge, then it will permanently bounce here. Then here it is the set rotation, means it will rotate and rotate and rotate. Okay, then here are the looks, what it should say, what it should think. It can switch in the another body like this. Here it is, and it can switch to this one. Okay, now here we have the backdrops, means the background. It can switch the background, the next background, the next custom. Then the size it can change, the size percent it can change. Then its color it can change, the graphic effect what you want it can change. Then it can hide and show also. See this, hide and show. Then go to front, layer, then forward. Okay, etc. It is here. Then here are the sound, how much volume you want, it can change it there. Then clear sound effect it can have. Then the pitch you can change, means the high pitch or the low pitch. It can, while speaking it can change its pitch. Okay, here if we will put this stop all sounds, mean the what sounds are coming, it will stop that all the sounds. Okay, now here are the, okay, here it is its own sound. Okay, now here are the events, I've told you about it. Now here are the controls, means it will wait, it will repeat, it will forever, means not repeating, it will continuously, it will done that work. Then if here are the sensing, if you will put this, see this, if I will put that touching here, then it will come touching. If touching, then if it will touch that, then what will happen, we can put here our codes. Okay, then here it is, if touching, then what will happen, we can put or if that will not happen, then we can put the another codes. Then wait until done, means stop until this or all the codes are over. Repeat until done, means it will repeat and repeat and repeat until or all the codes are over. Then stop all, means the like a game, I am giving an example, like in game if you are playing, then if we are out, then the everything gets stopped, like music or the other characters. Then when I start as a clone, means when I will start as a clone, then what will happen, create clone myself, means I will create my own clone. Then I can delete this clone or the another. Then here it is the touching, coloring, here are the sensing, means what will happen and what will do it. Then here are the variable, operators, means how you can operate it. The operators are coming very less in our codes. Okay, then here are the variables, means we can make our own variable or we can make our own blocks in my block. Okay, then friends, this was about all the codes. Hope you like this video. If you like, if this video was helpful for you, then please like our video. Okay, then We'll meet in the next one video. Till then, take care and bye bye.